Hey everyone, my name is Sarah McVanel, and I am thrilled to be running one of your student sessions at your Dietitians of Canada conference this year. Oh my gosh, we're going to have such a blast because, we're going to talk about how to build the career you love through some very simple greatness hacks. And I appreciate that things are evolving really fast in your field, that so many of you will not end up working in a team-based setting or perhaps even in an organization, that you're going to be entrepreneurs. So whether you choose the entrepreneurial route or you do in fact take a more traditional route, there are some strategies that you can pull into your world that are going to make sure that you enjoy, you love, and frankly, you make a profit in this important field. And I'll tell you, I really can relate to the importance of this conversation. My background is psychology, family therapy, and I didn't learn anything about business or structuring my time outside of what you would learn in school. Although what I do remember very vividly of taking a graduate program with a whole bunch of amazing dietitians is that the heart that you have, the passion you have for your field, and the breadth and depth of knowledge that you bring to your clients, whoever they will be, is tremendous. So I want to help you get barriers that you're going to experience in your career so that you can go out and serve the world in the way that I know you want to and are ready to. If you have any questions, feel free to jump over to my website, either check out some information. I've got lots of free stuff on there, greatnessmagnified.com. And if you have a specific question or request of what you would like to be covered, you could just jump right into that contact form and let me know, because this session is for you. In fact, you know what? There's so many rock stars of you out there that what normally would be a session with 30, I think it's up to about 130 by now. We're going to have a blast. You're going to get huge value. And as I say, don't hesitate to let me know what I can do for you specifically. See you in June.